Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm sure if it's your first time stopping by. So in today's video we are going to be doing a step-by-step eyeshadow application tutorial. I have been getting tons of requests for me to do something beginner, like a beginner friendly eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I do mini makeup tutorials on Instagram, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm going to leave my handle somewhere on the screen. I upload videos frequently there, like mini makeup tutorials and stuff like that. But then people are like, you know what, Shura, you need to do something makeup friendly. I don't talk on Instagram, that's why I thought it was going to be a good idea for me to bring the tutorial here, and I'll just let people on Instagram to come and watch the video here. So if you're not a subscriber to this channel, please consider subscribing. It's support your sister grow, support your girl grow, and also click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. With that being said, let's just get into this makeup tutorial. Okay guys, so I already have my base done. As you can see, my base is already done. Now I want this video to be short, straight to the point, we hitting the nail on the head. So for today's makeup tutorial, I'll be using this eyeshadow palette. This is from Signature Cosmetics and this is how it looks like. Okay, so we're going to be dipping into this eyeshadow palette. Guys, if you do not have this eyeshadow palette, I request that you use eyeshadow colors that are similar to what I'm going to be using today. This eyeshadow palette right here, guys, this is 50 rands. Makeup is expensive. If you find something this affordable and it performs very well, guys, this is a go-to eyeshadow palette. I got this from Signature Cosmetics. Okay guys, so before you put on, like, this is a beginner friendly, okay, this is for somebody that doesn't know how to put makeup, or they have an idea of how to apply eyeshadow but they just do not know. First of all, there's no rules to makeup. You can do what you want to do. You can do you, be you, okay? There's no rules to makeup. And however, there's some procedures that you have to follow. But before you put anything on your eyelids, that is where you're going to put your eyeshadow. Before you do anything on them, you have to prime. Priming helps with evening out the color of your skin, like, making the skin being one color. And then what else does it do? It also helps the colors that you're going to put to stick and be vibrant. To prime my eyes, I'll use the L'Oreal Paris Inflammable Concealer. You can use any concealer that you have, anything that you have, but for me, I'm using this concealer to prime my eyes. I'll just put a little amount and then I'll blend. Okay, so as that is on, it's up to you whether you want to set the concealer. If you're somebody that is extra oily, I recommend that you set the concealer because it's going to crease and it will make your eyeshadow melt, and that is not going to be a good look. But I'm oily skin as well, but it's still cold, like we're still in winter, so I don't like, my skin doesn't produce as much oil as it would in summer. So I'm just going to go into my eyeshadow palette. I'm using a blending brush. Guys, this is not dirty, it's just stained from the recent eye makeup tutorial that I did. But yeah, so I'm just going to the blending brush. So taking my blending brush, I'm going to dip into a transition color. Now a transition color is just a color that you put before other colors. It helps other colors that you're going to put blend very well. So for my transition color, I'll just use this color in the corner right here and put it in my transition area. Okay, I will try and zoom in. So I'm just blending back and forth. Please guys, don't mind the glitter that is on my face. This is from the products I used last time, and yeah, so I'm just lightly blending. Now transition color, you can use any color that you like. I normally use oranges, brown, all those cool colors, not too bright colors. It depends on the eye look that you are going for. We're going to add color to our crease. So for this, I'm going to take this dark brown in the corner right here and just take a little and put this color in my crease, and then it's just going to add depth to my crease. That's when you're going to see the dimensions of two colors. It's like blending into one another. So just little, guys. And then I'll take the same color and push it in my outer V. So going in with a different brush, I'll pick the same color that I used in my transition, and then I'll just blend in between the colors. You want everything to look good, no harsh lines or anything like that. So we are just blending and blending, guys. Makeup is all about blending. You have to take your time and blend things out. Okay, so now that we have our two colors, we have our transition color and our crease color, so we are going to the lid. It's up to you whether you want to cut the crease or not. I believe there are tons and tons of makeup tutorials on how to cut the crease. That's why I did not do that, but I'm just going to cut the crease using the same concealer that we used, which is this one. I'll just take a tiny amount, like just a tiny amount, and then I'll cut the crease. So these days cutting the crease is not my thing, but yeah, I'll just try and zoom in and fast forward this process so that you see what I'm doing. That's why I hate cutting the crease, because it's so much work and most of the times the eyes don't look similar. But we are going to fix that with this base that we've done so far. You can use a gold shimmer color, you can use a silver shimmer color, a black shimmer, you can use any shimmer color that you like just by what we have done so far. As for me, going into the same eyeshadow palette, I'll dip into this gold right here, and then I'll just put this on my eyelid. Okay, so now that we have the shimmer colors on, I will go back into this brown. We'll go back into the brown that we used, and then I'll deepen the outer V. So we're going to deepen the outer V and blend everything in, guys. Remember, makeup is all about blending, so just blend. I'm going to go off camera and do my contouring, my highlighting. I'm going to do that in another video because I thought I should just focus on the eyes for this video, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we are right back, and this is the final look that I achieved, guys. I did nothing extra to my face apart from highlighting and contouring. Apart from that, I have not done anything. I have not touched my eyes. It's easy, guys. As you can see, doing eyeshadow is not hard. You just have to practice, and yeah, just practice. Get the right tools, get the right blending brushes. Go to China Mall, go to Dragon City. They sell brushes for affordable. You can find brushes for 85 rand, a full face set of makeup brushes. It's easy, guys. You just have to blend and blend your makeup. The more you blend, the better it looks. Okay, don't move around with harsh lines or anything like that. I decided to go with a nude lipstick. If you would like to see how I achieved this, I already have a video. I'm going to link up for you guys here or here. You're going to watch the video after you watch this video. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I have seen we are growing, guys. We are on our way to 400. Okay, so guys, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Help your sister grow. Like this video, comment down below what you would like me to do next. With that being said, so thank you guys for watching this video. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye.